Hi guys, welcome to Magic Art by Kids. My name is the Ice Queen. So, has it snowed in your neighborhood yet? What is your favorite snow activity? Do you like to build a snowman? Well, I do. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a picture of a snowman right outside his home. So now we're going to need a little bit of magic. Abracadabra. Paper. Crayons. And marker. Now let's get started. We're going to use our black pen first. So we're first going to work on our ground and house and snowman. We're going to first do the ground. Just want to do like a line, but more curved than a line. And now we're going to make the ground look like puddles of snow. But how do you make it look like puddles of snow? You just need to add some squiggly lines to make it like it's been snowing all day and night and you had puddles of snow on the ground. There. Now we're going to draw our house. It's just going to be like a big, fat rectangle, but not too fat. Now we're just going to draw a line on the top. Now for the roof, we're just going to draw a triangle. And we're just going to add a little T on the top. And we're going to do a chimney too. Just a rectangle, but one of the sides is longer. Now we're going to make the chimney have like sort of a pattern. So for the pattern is like just lines going down and lines going across. Should make like a picnic blanket pattern. There, we're done with our chimney. Now we're going to work on our roof. We're just going to draw 3 windows, but leave a space in the middle of all the windows on the house. We're going to draw like a little space where you would put like flowers. It's just one line, then a curve out. And to make it more 3D, we're just going to do a rectangle. Now we're going to draw a pattern for that. It's just zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. And we're just going to draw flowers by scribbling inside just a little. And then now we're going to work on the bottom. So we're just going to draw 4 windows and no flower bucket. There. Now we're going to work on our door. Our door is going to be like a curved upside down U with a big tall U. You're just going to draw that. And now we're going to do our design on doorknob. So for the doorknob, just draw a little circle and color that in. And now we're going to do a design for the door. Just some lines across and some lines going down. Now we're done with that. We're going to work on our house for a little longer, just doing some bricks. Bricks will be just little rectangles popping out from areas and floating around in the middle of the house somewhere. Well, we're basically done with our house. Now we're going to draw our snowman. We're just going to do a big circle at the bottom. And then a smaller but still big circle at the top. And then the smallest circle at the very top. We're going to work our way up to down. So first we're going to draw his hat. His hat will just be like a rectangle with a curvy bottom that goes out, like those fancy hats. We're going to leave a line in the middle and then color in the rest of that hat, like black. Okay, now we're going to draw his eyes. Just draw some black dots. We're gonna skip the nose because we're just gonna use our colors to do it. Now I'm gonna work on our mouth. For the mouth, you're just gonna put some dots to make a smile shape. Now we're gonna draw his buttons. Just draw two big black dots on the middle side ball, and then draw a big black dot on the biggest ball. Okay, so now we're done with our snowman. We're going to do the rest of it later. Now we're going to do snow. For the snow, we're just going to draw big circles all around the page. Now we're done with our outlining. We're going to start coloring. So we're first going to work on our house. We're going to do our bricks first. So you're going to take your red or any color that you want and color in the bricks. We're going to put a lot. It's going to be a lot darker than our house because you put more pressure. Just put more pressure and that house will be the bricks will be dark. Now we're done with the bricks, we're going to do our house. It's just going to be red, but put less pressure, so it'll be lighter than our bricks. Now we're done with that, we're going to work on our top. We're first going to color in the chimney. The chimney is going to be gray. You're just going to color in. No other colors but gray, just coloring that whole thing. Now we're going to do our flower bucket. We're going to do kind of like a pattern. You're going to need your purple and your yellow. So for the purple, you're going to color in all the triangles that are facing up. And then with your yellow, you're going to color in all the triangles that are facing down. Now for the flowers, we're just going to color in that like a blue. We're done with that, and now all we have is the door. We're going to use our yellow, purple, and pink. So we're just going to color it in like many colors, and each square is filled up by the end. Now we're done with our house. We're gonna do our snowman. For the snowman, we're gonna draw its carrot nose first. Just draw a long triangle and color that in orange. Now we're gonna do that blank strip on its hat. We're gonna color it red. Now we're going to work on his arms. His arms are going to be brown. Just draw a line facing upwards, then 3 small lines to be his fingers. Now we're done with our picture. I hope you liked my video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!